a flower here that can make a sound. The name of the flower is monay or putay. So in English, it's a vagina flower. And don't ask me why. My friend Franz will demonstrate to you how it sounds like. So let's see. Franz will teach us how to make this flower sound. So how do you do that?
Let's open its flower and then get the center.
Ah.
Is
And that part is supposed to make a sound?
Yes. You get the center of
The center of that flower?
into and then it sounds like a bird.
It does?
Ilonggo siya. Hindi na ako kabalo.
Amazing! Wow! To imitate the sound of a bird.
Ito na to, mes.
Pakita, liwat baby. Again. Okay, I'm supposed to open this. Sige, open.
Get the bugs.
So get the pots. And open.
The putay.
The putay. Open the putay.
Green sa sulod.
Green. Remove.
Hindi pa! Hindi siya pagbukon.
Higop is suyop.
Sak!
Suck the air in. So, ang huyok, blow. Okay, but don't blow it. Suck the air in. Like
Suck the air in.
Oh, wow. Yes. Yay. Thank you. Success. Naghuni. Okay, it's like the sound of a bird. Huni, the sound of a bird.
Tweet. Patod na si Miss Icy, oh.
So easy.
Franz and Icy wants to try it.
Oh, ang may bulak-bulak na.
Yay!
Pis na ni Karanoa.
Ano na siya, Franz?
Munay! Munay ang tawag sina.
Violet.
Violet. This is munay. So is it your first time to see the vagina flower?
In real, yeah.
In real. So
Yeah, 'cause I had
yeah,
them
an
on Facebook the
Australian
other week.
seeing
I
the
was on tour, I
vagina
seen
flower
some.
for the first time. There's the vagina
Does that
flower.
mean I'm
You can make this vagina flower sing. Wala, kamo ba lasang tawag sini? This is munay. Oh, you agree?
Another version. Putay-putay.
Putay. Oh. It is! So you've heard the sound of this flower? I love you all, guys. Until our next video, let's try to find something that's the equivalent of this flower over here, this vagina flower.